load 88 pounds and others.
Welcome back to American Dream Garage. Today is a moment of truth. Believe it or not, I haven't tried to drive this car. Had a video of it running, and it seems to be running and idling decent. So we will see if it has a transmission, rear end, brakes, as well as other miscellaneous items.
Got brakes.
So as we can see, I think it checked all the boxes. I don't know how smooth everything functioned. The transmission is a very, very tight, close ratio, but it seemed very solid. Clutch seems to release fairly far out, so I'd have to take a look at that, but I don't know what it did when I took off. Did it?
Didn't do much.
Huh? Did it spin the tires?
No, not really.
It didn't?
No.
Okay, well, we'll see. All right, so I think it's a good start. Surprise, it's running, driving, and ready for restoration, which I believe, as I've looked at this, I can't curb my enthusiasm too much. I'm gonna have to work on this, and maybe I'll do a day a week on this one and a day a week on some of my other projects. So we'll be ordering some parts to get this going. Look forward to your comments. Thanks.